Failure to prepare is preparing to fail, and we can't have that. Not when it comes to selling your home. I'm Susan Matthews, and this is Home Gold, where we talk about all the ways to increase the value of your home, whether you're selling or staying put. I have an exciting new program. It's a partnership between Coldwell Banker and Home Advisor. And what it does is Coldwell Banker will pay for all the things that you'd like to do to prepare your house for market without any additional fees, and they don't charge interest. So if you would like to have the interior of your home painted a neutral color, or maybe you want some new countertops, or a deep cleaning, or power washing, you name it, there's a service. And you get to call the shots, you make the decisions, you get the estimates from the service providers, you choose the service provider you'd like to work with, and you choose the dates that they come and do the work. So all the power is in your control, and as I said, no interest and no fees. So it's kind of a no-brainer. So what are the types of things my clients have done with the program? Well, for instance, the house that we're in right now, they had their floors completely refinished. We had the walls painted a neutralized color. We painted the dark kitchen cabinets a bright white and added fresh new hardware. We updated all the lighting fixtures, really super important. That's something people notice. And we did the repairs that a pre-inspection found needed to be done. Things as simple as cleaning out gutters, power washing. There were just lots of little things that I was able to coordinate with the sellers, and they were able to push that payment off until closing and use the money that they're not spending right now on their next step. Don't think of home prep as a cost. Think of it as an investment. It's an investment in your next step. And that's why Coldwell Banker has this program, because they know that with the work that you'll do, your home will sell faster and for more, and that is a win-win for everyone. So be sure to discuss with your realtor all the ways that you can better prepare your home for market, and it's never too soon to meet with them. If you're thinking about moving in the next 6 months, reach out now. Find the perfect person to work with. And if you think that perfect person might be me, feel free to contact me. I'd love to talk to you. And even if you're not in my marketplace, I'd love to answer your questions, because I feel that this is such an important thing, because your home is one of your largest investments, if not your largest investment. And giving it the attention that it deserves is important. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you have any more questions about the RealVitalize program, please reach out to me. All my information is in the show notes below. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe, because I have really cool segments coming up on all the things that help you make the most of your home.